this video, we will show you how to make a pie chart on Microsoft Excel. First, to create pie chart, you can click Insert tab in here. Then, you can choose pie chart. There is 2D and 3D pie chart. Let's using 2D first. After you click this, for pie charts, it works only with 2 columns like this. Let's using just 5 columns. And then make this with color like this. Then you can click on your pie chart and right click and choose select data. Then you can select this and then click OK. For example, in here, let's fill with some text. I will make this in the center, and this is for the values. For example, like this. And for pie title, you can click on your pie chart and choose this, and on chart title, you can enable and then type text in here. For example, pie chart 2D, and you can also using data label like this. And if you want to change the text or the values, you can select here. Now let's create for 3D pie chart. Just insert again and choose for 3D pie chart. Same with this, but in here let's try using another sheet to make a data. Okay, let's using 6 data in here, and I will using a color like this. And then click your pie chart and choose select data. Then move into your another sheet like this, and then click OK. Then you can fill with some data in here. For example, like this, and you can see it's appear on the pie chart in sheet 1, and the values is, for example, let's create some data like this. So this is the results of pie chart in 3D mode. You can also add titles. Just tick this and type title you want, for example like this, 3D pie chart. Also you can showing the data labels. And that's all tutorial how to create a pie chart on Microsoft Excel. Hope this video helpful for you.